Hello, I am going to show you how to convert audio files from Cubase and convert them to WAV files so they can be sent to other engineers who is not using Cubase. For instance, if there's an engineer using Appleton, Pro Tools, Cakewalk, or anything like that, and if they don't have Cubase, they will not be able to mix your song down or make changes, edit your song. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do that, and you can do this directly to a flash drive. Now, what I have set up here, wrong one. What I have set up here is I have a flash drive already set. Now I'm going to name this file that I'm going to convert, and this file is called Bahamas. Okay, Bahamas wave. Okay, Bahamas. I'll just name it Bahamas, and then I will go in here and wave files. Now this will go directly on the flash drive. Okay, now the first thing you want to do is go over here and to your file manager and export. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to get a mix down of this song, a rough mix down, so the engineer will have something to work with. Now, first thing that you want to do is go in here and set you up an MP3 file, and we'll just go ahead and leave this. We'll name this Bahamas, and just leave this one blank, leave that one blank, and we'll make this an instrumental. Let's see here, we go ahead and make this an instrumental. Okay, now what this is going to do is this is going to give a rough mix of the song that I'm about to export and transfer files over. Now what you want to do, you want to go ahead and find that flash drive and click it, Bahamas, and this MP3 rough mix of the song will go directly into that. So that will give the engineer a rough mix of how the song should sound, and I will be right back to show you how to convert these files. Okay, as you can see, the rough mix of this song was converted to an MP3 and placed on the flash drive, directly on the flash drive. So now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get your WAV files ready for export. Now the first thing that you want to do also, you want to go here and export audio mixdown. Now you want to change this. You can either change it to WAV or AIFF. I prefer WAV files. That way I know everything would work. Now you will set your sample rate, whatever the sample rate of the original song, that's what you would set it as you would export it. Okay, now what you would do is you would find your path on your flash drive, and you would set it to go into your WAV file of the flash drive. Now the key thing is when you export your mix down, this will be checked. Now to export each track, now this has instrument tracks and audio channels, so MIDI channels and audio channels, so I want to send them all. So what you want to do is you want to check each one that you're going to send. This is a little bit lengthy process, but this will definitely convert WAV files, convert these files to WAV. Now then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put in guitar and export. Now when you go and look, as you can see, the entire file will already be set up. Now it's key that this right here should match up with every file that you save as a WAV file. This way you know that the song is correctly aligned. And also make sure that your bar here is all the way across so that it will get the whole song. I will be right back once I convert all of these or get down to my last one. Okay, as you can see, I am done converting my instrument tracks, considered as MIDI tracks. Now I am going to begin with my audio tracks, and those are these down here. So I will begin with that sub bass. And continue until I'm on my last one. I am now converting and exporting my final file for this song. And as you can see, all audio files from this song is currently converted to a WAV file, and they are aligned together like they should be. Now the next thing that you want to do to have these sent off, you want to make you another folder of the song, and then you want to drag both of these into that main folder. Okay, the next thing that you want to do, if you want to compress these files so that they can be emailed. And while these files are compressing, I will be back once they have completed. Okay, now as you can see, that folder has been compressed and zipped, and you want to make sure all your files are in there. So what you want to do is click it, and then you see your MP3 file, your rough mix is there, and then you click on your WAV files, and now all the WAV files for that song are there. And as an engineer who don't have Cubase, and you would send this to me and I'm running Pro Tools, all I would do now is just highlight all of these WAV files once I download this zip file and open it, and then just drag this into the folder that I want to use to start mixing, editing, and do whatever I need to do to this file. I know there's a lot of engineers out there who's running Cubase who don't know how to convert Cubase audio files to WAV. As a fellow engineer, I think that we all should help one another. That's why I don't mind sharing anything that I know about a DAW, any digital audio workstation, and I would be gladly to help anyone who don't understand about Cubase, Pro Tools, Cakewalk, Reasons, Ableton, and I will definitely give you a hand. So thank you for watching, and hope this will help you on how to convert audio session files from Cubase to WAV so they can be mixed and mastered by another engineer who doesn't have Cubase. This has been JVH Productions, and I will talk to you later, and leave your comments in the comment sections below.